What to look for in a good floor plan when you're having a look at buying off the plan is really the scale of the floor plan, and make sure the floor plan is to scale and the furniture that's being placed in it is also to scale. Often what you'll find is furniture that isn't the correct scale, which will make the rooms look really big, but then when you actually go and place your furniture into the rooms, you'll find there isn't much space left.
It's really important when you're designing a floor plan that you do what we call zoning them up. So you want to make sure that the private areas and the public areas within that floor plan essentially are separate. So when you have bedrooms, you don't want to, for instance, walk across the living room to go to the bathroom from the second bedroom. You often see plans where people don't really think about what it's like if, you're having someone over and you're talking to them and someone in the second bedroom has to go to the bathroom. Do they just like walk right across the space in their pajamas and you make believe they're not there?
When you walk into the apartment, you should have a sense of arrival but not fall straight into one of your living spaces. So you can greet your guests, you can walk in and then you take them through into the living spaces, the kitchen spaces, and there's not a private bedroom, there's not bathrooms right in your face when you're walking into the apartment. So you want to see some beautiful light in your apartment when you get to your living spaces, and in your kitchen you want to have, a sense of connection between your kitchen and your dining and your living and your outdoor spaces and your outlook.
So making sure that there's no wasted space. So in a lot of developments there are useless hallways, little pockets of space that just do nothing and detract in your ability to get from one space to another.
I think many Australians are changing the way they consider they would like to live, whether it's being really close to great amenity or whether it's actually downsizing the space they're in for the fact that they'd like to spend a lot of time travelling, they don't want the maintenance of a big house. So we've got a lot of people who are looking at different alternatives to living that may not necessarily 10 to 15 years ago considered living in an apartment or in a smaller space based on the needs of their lifestyles.